going on, everybody? Tom with ZarCustoms back with another episode. Today we're going to be finishing up the wide body install. I have to finish up the passenger side skirt yet. There's not a whole lot to it, but we'll be here step by step. Stick around. Alright, so I took the measurements I just got, marked off where I need to cut this off at. I use the Dremel with the cutoff wheel here, so there we go. Alright, so that's that. Next step, we can get them mounted up. Alright, got body panel adhesive on the wide body side skirt for the passenger side. I'm going to go ahead and stick her on. Alright, so I already used the body panel adhesive to basically glue the side skirt on. I went through, I measured and pre-drilled all the mounting holes for the screws. So I'm basically just going to run them in now. And we'll move on to something else. That's that. Well, there you have it. Like I said, there wasn't a whole lot to it. There's a lot more to come. Just be aware, I am doing stuff behind the scenes. I don't think you guys want to watch me wire for hours on end. So, getting closer every day. You guys are going to be the first ones to see it run, so might as well be here.